I'm in college Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday in lectures, and then I have online classes on Thursday, and then I have Friday for studying. So that's quite handy because I'm where I am now is in Clare, where I'm from. So I can, like this week I came home Wednesday night, did my online classes on Thursday, and then I was able to kind of come on down here for the day on Friday. 100-year-old historic vessels are not always very easy to come across. So luckily, one came up for auction when I was 20. Was not in any way, shape or form my intention to get one when I was 20. And it's been a very slow progress for the last 10 years. I'm just gone 30. So 10 years has gotten me this far. It was sunk for 30 years. It looked a lot different to this. People come in and they see cobwebs and they see leaking windows and it doesn't look so great. But I have come a long way in the last 10 years, and I do still have a long way to go, but I am making a lot of progress in the last year or two. The great thing about where I keep it here is on Lough Derg is it's just open space. It's easy, and unless there's a gale force blowing, it's very easy to just take off. Me on the front of Mum and Dad's boat about a week before my 3rd birthday in my lovely pink coat. I was born and bred into barging. I never really stood a chance. There wasn't much chance of me getting a nice shiny cruiser. It just is in my DNA. So my parents got a barge when I was 2. My whole life has been up and down decks and canals and rivers and lakes. And the slower pace of a barge is what I'm used to. And I mean, you can't really see it here, but the comforts that a barge has when it's finished are very different to any other kind of boating. And that's always what I kind of wanted for myself, with my own stamp on it.